Good morning, guys. It's about 5:40 a.m. in the morning and I'm already up to make food for my children for school. Well, first, Daddy wants tea, so I'm making green tea for him. Morning. So yeah, I'm making yam this morning. I need to make something that will be very quick and yummy. Something that should not take time to make. I have my pots. So guys, I'm thinking of making porridge yam. Let's see if I'll be able to finish before it's school time. See, one thing with yam, they will look fresh outside and you don't even know what to expect inside. Okuchuku, what are you doing? You did not clean the sink, oh. Better come and clean it now. See, I just hope all the yams I bought yesterday are okay, see? And there's no way to know unless you cut it open. And with how expensive yams are, you don't need this type of thing. See? And all these things I'm cutting out now, they were weighed though and added to my kg. So who is losing now? Me. If you know how expensive yams are in abroad, you'll be shocked. See? See what I got from that big cut of yam. Okay guys, so I just finished cutting the yams that I've washed, and now I'm putting some onions. This is going to be like a one pot porridge yam. Of course, porridge yam is kind of one pot, so I'm just going to put everything inside, season everything right here before cooking it. So now I'm adding salt. It's already 6:15. I'll be adding some seasoning cubes. No, it's not peanuts, it's seasoning cube. Go and wear your diaper. Yes, I'll be adding some thyme. I'll be adding pepper. So I'm adding some fresh pepper. This is habanero pepper. Now basically I'm going to use crayfish to cook this meal because obviously I don't have time to start doing any other thing. So I'm going to put it on fire and I'll add some water to it. I hate cooking in the mornings because there's no time. There's usually no time. I just hate it. I like to cook my food and keep, and just be warming when it's time for school. Cooking in the morning has never worked for me. But yeah, we don't have food in the house and this is what we are doing this morning. It's already 6:18 a.m. and we leave here at least 7:40, so let's see how fast I'm going to be in cooking this. So I'll be adding some water. So I'm just going to turn on the fire and then add some water to this. So I'm going to cover it to start cooking. This is cooking. I just brought out some dried fish. I don't know, I just don't like cooking plain. I brought out just a few dry fish. I'm going to pieces them and put them in the food together with crayfish so at least it will have good taste. I don't like cooking in the morning. I really don't like cooking in the morning, but yeah, here we are.
I thought I said you should leave there.
I don't like cooking in the morning. Look at the time now, 6:28, and I'm still here. You guys better be ready. You are just sitting down there now talking. Have you put water in your water bottles? Eh? You see? So guys, this is what we have here now. I've been adding some dry fish. I don't know if this will have time to cook. This is what it is. So I'm going to turn this and let the dry fish sink in and cook better. I'm going to put oil, put crayfish. The yam looks almost done. Yes, I'll be adding some crayfish right now. is already done. I'm just gonna stir this, keep stirring it to make a porridge out of it. Oh my god, there's no time. There's no time. I'll keep doing this until it starts forming a thick porridge. This is how to make a porridge out of your yam. Else water will be separate and yam will be separate. It will be water yam instead of porridge. So let me check for taste. I'm going to add a little more salt. And I will keep stirring it and some time. So guys, this is what we have right now. I'm gonna be adding some ugu leaves. And I'm gonna cover it. Alright guys, this is what we have. I just have to turn this thing off. What's happening? This is what we have right now. The yam is ready. So this is 6:51 a.m. I started by 5:48 or so. This is 6:51 and the yam is ready. An hour what? 1 hour 3 minutes. 1 hour 3 minutes is what it took to make this food this morning, guys. I don't think this video is doing justice. It's looking so yummy and even tastes more delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. So it's time to dish. Dishing time. Alright guys, we are ready. Okuchukwu. I hear whisper where the soft wind flows. Peace like a river gently finds its way. Settles all questions from my days. Stars above are twinkling in the midnight sky. Speaking words of comfort. I think I need to cut these yams a little bit more so that it will be easy for them to eat. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Alright guys, so I'm done cooking and this is around 7:13 a.m. This is what our lunch box is looking like. So yeah, I was able to finish on time and now just gonna pack it up and start going. Bring the covers please. So I finished on time, so I'm gonna pack up and I'll see you guys later. He still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us until all fear is gone. You guys pack up, let's go please. Bobo, kids, you have not combed your hair. Go and comb it. Okay guys, I just dropped my kids off school and now it's time to head home. So I was able to make it on time. We got here around 8:08. So right about now it's 8:13. I'm about going home. They've already entered their, class, happy classes. So Alive is also here with me. People say hi. This one just ate yogurt. Look at his mouth. Come, let's clean it. Let's clean your mouth. Let's clean your mouth now. Oh yeah, clean it yourself. Clean it. This one is Mr. Independent. Doesn't like anyone touching him, doing anything for him. Clean it now. See your yogurt mouth. Yeah, school right now. Why does it look like I'm seeing rainbow? And that is rainbow. Is that rainbow? Or is this thing? Okay. Time to go. So guys, it's time to head home. Bye guys, I'll see you later.